This scientist can tell if you have cancer just by smelling your breath.
Hi, Nas Daily. My name is Hussam Hai.
Professor Hussam is a Palestinian Israeli, just like me. When his best friend got cancer, Professor Hussam decided to spend his life fighting cancer. The problem with cancer is that it grows inside your body, and when you know about it, it's too late. But turns out cancer has a smell, and dogs can smell cancer just from your breath or urine. So he built a device that works like a dog's nose. It's called Nanose. It can study your breath, look for tiny cancer molecules, and if they exist, it will signal an alert that there is cancer inside of you. His device is still a work in progress, but if it works, we can build a world that is entirely cancer-free. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.